Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dashed line in Excel cell. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now, we want to add the dash line into Excel cell. At first, select your data sheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Go to the home menu. Select the sheet border drop down menu, then select the line style option. We can see here many line style. You can add the dash, dot, etc. Now I am select the dash, then I can go back this option, choose all border. Now we can see we add dashed line in Excel cell easily. You want to make sure we added the line, go to the file menu, select print option and check this. We can see we added dashed line as a border easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.